Hi friends, welcome again to the tutorial of PHP. In the previous video, we have seen about how to design a client-side scripting. In this video, I am going to teach you about how to design server-side scripting in the language PHP to connect MySQL database with user data. And this is the form client-side scripting. In the previous video, I have explained you. Now, I am going to design a server-side scripting. For that, go to Notepad and we have to process the user entered data in the form. At first, PHP inside have to store the user data in a variable, and then we have to pass that user data to the database. For that, in PHP we have to call a function by means of MySQL underscore connect. Inside the arguments are hosting, that where the hosting is available, hosting service provider is available, usually localhost, and the root where the file is available, for example username of the database, usually root, and the password, usually we can leave that password field. Then if the connection is failed, our PHP script should display that our connection is failed. So we are creating a condition that if the con variable is failed, then declare error. Inside the if statement I have given this, then display error message, the of could not connect. This is my error message. Here you can use your own words. Dot MySQL underscore error. This function will automatically call the error. Which type of error occurred? Then close the if statement. Then we have to select the database. For that, a function is called as MySQL underscore select db of database, where we are going to store the data. So for example, I am going to give a database name as user data, and by using the variable connection, so I have mentioned here con. Then we have to give the query. Under that, insert into the table name. Here I am going to mention user table, user tab. Here in this field I have to give what are the data already they are designed in the client-side scripting. For name we have given as name, for age we have given us age, so this field will be designed in the database. Name, age, only two fields. Values, we are going to get the values from the client-side scripting, that is the front end, where the user is giving the data. Under that, name, and age. Now we have to display error message for if there may any error occur during the connection of MySQL queries. The parameters are SQL, connection, and I am going to display the error messages. Error. Now we are going to display that if the data is stored successfully, one record added. Then close the MySQL database connection using MySQL_close function. Inside that we have to give the parameter as $con, which is the variable where we have stored. Now I am going to save this as the client-side scripting simple.php I have mentioned. This simple.php file only going to process our data. So I am going to save this as simple.php, and in my database, in my system, already one simple.php file is available, so I am going to change this simple1.php, and here also simple1. Now the server-side scripting part is over, and continue the database creation and connection in the next video. And thanks for watching this video.